how to fix Google Chrome's slow download speed on Android, or your Chrome download scrolling on Android. Let's fix it step by step. So first, update Google Chrome in the App Store. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store. From here, head over into the search tab and then use the search bar to look for Google Chrome. Now on the results, go ahead and click on Google Chrome. So from here, go ahead and click on it and click on the update button if you find it here. So you need to update Google Chrome on your Play Store first. New versions fix bugs and improve download speed. Now, once this is done installing for the update, second thing you can do is to close inactive tabs on Google Chrome. So too many tabs slow Chrome down. Close unused apps to free memory. Third is to clear your cache and data. So to do this, long press on the Chrome app on your home screen, click on App Info, click on Storage and Cache, and you'll find the Clear Cache button at the bottom right and the Clear Storage button at the bottom left. So click on this to delete cache and data.